Okay, I'm gonna be doing a bike check because I haven't made one. So, alright. For the front rim, we got a G Sport roll cage in black and red, with Primo spokes. We got an Odyssey Vandero 2 hub. For the tire, we got a Salt Pitra 20 by 2.25. I have Scavenger flat iron forks. They're really nice. They're 33 ounces, $120. FSA pig headset, just SE spacers, Salt stem, Gary Young 3 bars. I love these things. These things are awesome. ODI long necks in teal blue. We got a duo Rogue status seat in purple and black. And just, I think it's an E-Class seat post. Just stickers, just from Dick Malls. Oh yeah, frame. It's a We the People 4 Seasons 2009. About 4.5 pounds. Profile racing cranks. I got Odyssey TC twist pedals, teal blue. Tree 26 tooth sprocket with KNC crazy chain. On the back here, we got a Salt rim laced to a Salt Pro hub with Odyssey Pat tire. And I have some extra parts for sale over here. I got this back wheel. It's an older flyer rim laced to Odyssey Hazard hub 9-tooth driver. Comes with chrome bolts. I had this 3.5 pound DK race frame, but it's got a fat bottom bracket thing down there. Comes with Dick Malls stickers. It looks like crap though. I have SE landing gear forks. They're just stock forks off a bike. They're pretty crappy, but I'll sell the back wheel right there for $60. The frame $25, and the forks for like $10. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Total weight of my bike 21.5 pounds. Thanks.